We've been here already before, guys. In last video that it was final. It's been a few weeks. It haven't progressed, but going to fix it today because I have to. It's getting too crazy, and my mom is going to visit in April, so I need to get this sorted out together with you. All right? For my wardrobe as pajama wardrobe. This one is really cute. And it has also matching like long trousers, which I am going to wear as normal trousers, to be honest, summertime. Different versions. Basically like the top I'm wearing today, and I have the little shorts underneath here, so we'll coordinate them kind of. Like I like my little outfits. I really do. So I was like, I had one set of pajamas which were like literally falling apart, and I went and I treated myself with new pajama wardrobe, cotton satin, and in my country we call it sittiria. 5, 6, 7 hangers of pajamas. Then I have this one. This I absolutely love as well. It's like a stripy shirt, stripy pajamas. Wow, I think I need like separate wardrobe for pajamas because already I'm having more than 10 hangers. Also this I could wear with these. I could wear with these shorts or with these long trousers. I could like two like this, or like this one with this. You just match it up, although I like my matching. So one is like gray stripe, one is like blue stripe, like stretchy slinky little material, so that goes here. But what I put those trousers, trying to sort out because the weather is getting so warm in London, which is so nice. I've been like in a garden like 3 days in a row. I don't know if I'm picking up any tan, but I noticed I do, which reminds me I need to get SPF. Difference if my hair will be blonde, but fun. So I'm going to continue with this, and I also want to go for a rave. I don't know what it is. It's been like few days since my sister mentioned maybe we are going for a rave in Brussels. Since that day I've been thinking like, I want to go for a rave. I haven't been clubbing or parties like that in London at all. Never. I've been here 10 years, which is so bizarre. I also pick up my bike. My bike is here. So I'm experiencing a lot of things which I haven't done a really long time or ever, and I'm feeling like a lot of people have mentioned, like if you look few videos back, like December, November, like I was so depressed. Honestly, guys, I was so depressed. I was in such a bad place. But now a lot of people been telling me like I had the glow and the some sort of like sparkle in my eyes back, and I've been working really hard to get there, because when you get there, people then notice, but they don't know what you've really been through. And I'm grateful that it's starting to reflect. Like the empty vessel is getting filled, because as I mentioned, it was such out of body experience, like really long time, and I'm slowly getting there. And also it really helps with creativity and stuff, which I mean, like, come on. Ah! Because I just pulled out like summer dresses, skirts, men's shirts, which I like to style, but I have to wash them all because they've been in a bag since the Estonian house. So I need to sort this out. Lots of like winter jackets which I put for sale, but I actually have to now to like massive clearance type of thing, or like they're gonna wait next year, which is fine because I have also so much of like knits and stuff, which I do wear all year round, but I don't know if any other person is wearing all year round. For Pisces, the sky blue and stuff, like these type of colors are really good. And I even updated my slides. I find myself actually wearing a lot of blue shades. I absolutely love blue shades, any type of blues like these. These are tiny bit like lilac as well, which should be good, but especially my favorite is this set. Like, something about like this stripe and this is so holiday vibes, even to wear like t-shirt underneath this top. And then just in here's lots of things. And my birthday gift from a really special person, vinyl player. And you can see I'm ready for holidays, like, honestly. But yeah, this is so special, but I yet have to, because look guys, it's like hanging over this and I'm really scared. And I can't open this to put vinyls in, which I don't have. I don't have vinyls at the moment to play with this, but I do listen a lot through the speakers. The music, obsessed. Kashmiri ones, oh my gosh, like blue. So this is still progress. These are the bags I pulled out. As you can see, there's like, oh my god, there's like just so much in here. This one can come out. Oh my god, I dropped this. And I think that's one of the reasons why my place gets all the time so messy, is that I'm starting with something, then I'm doing something else, then I'm doing something else, then I'm doing something else. And then I have to go back to the first thing what I was doing, which is like, example, putting these things away. And then it's already like, now I do it like this. So if I leave it here, it will stay here. I will sleep on top of it. So I should take that and put it away. So now as I put it away, I can do the next thing. Put this jacket, example, on the hanger. And one way and put it away, because I took the bus yesterday. I needed to go to Canning Town, and then I realized I don't have my wallet, and I haven't found my wallet. It's been 3 days and I can't find it. I checked the jackets, which I was kind of wearing a few days, and I don't have no idea where is my thing is. So thankfully there is Apple Pay, but I don't know exactly the reason. Like, I just put it somewhere and I was thinking, oh, it's an easy place to take. I will remember to take it from here, and now it's missing. Okay, I'll quickly go over like what I have in here, which is like my basics. I'm not gonna go through these like long sleeve type of things which I wear like under everything. This is from Zara, but I have like whole collection behind you here. So these are all my basics. They're all the same, just one is beige and the rest are white, and these are with thumb holes as well, so they go with everything. Hanger here with all these type of kind of like layering type of tops, like but I quickly go through what I have. Said I don't need that many clothes, but also I need my basics for Fashion Week and for Valentine's Day. I don't like Zara much, but this I loved. Light wool. You can check on my Instagram. I have my classic stripes. I absolutely love stripes. I'm such a grunge girly. So this is like 3, 4. 2 of these Victoria and Beckham shirts. These are like nice cotton t-shirts. Sleeve gonna go under it. And this is from Bull and Bear. People love it when I wear it, and I love to wear this as well. It's like a thick cotton shirt. Latest thrift find Tiger King shirt. I love this. It's so stupid, but I really like this. So Depop listed this on their main page, which is cool because I was featured there with my Depop. Then my DC Goldman shirt. This is my absolute favorite. Tones, my two blue shirts, which I wear a lot, just like one layering shirt. And then I have that one, it's in a wash, which I redesigned, upcycled. I have my Ralph Lauren blazer in here, herringbone, a pattern wool, really warm. And this is their black label. So this was gifted for me by Ralph Lauren team. I was working with them. So that. Then I have one Clementi is vintage blazer here, which I've been wearing too much and everybody loves it. I love it. It's like so blingy, so cool. It like goes with everything, especially when I have street style and I want to add tiny bit like girly pieces. That's trousers. These are the slouchy ones to see on YouTube video. I have these from Zara, this beigey, this like textured kind of, and all my trousers, guys, I need to tailor them shorter. And every time I'm getting dressed, I'm like, oh no, I just forgot again. Only jeans are these Zara jeans, which I literally just cut. I need to just do properly. So long they just drag on the floor. My favorite baggy jeans, I upcycled these as well. Thrift find men's sporty cargo trousers. I love cargos. Again, I just safety pin them, but actually I should just do it with the thread and needle. And I love these. These are like, again, when I don't know what to wear, cargos are always good way to go. These are kind of like whatever, I don't know. And I have white jeans in here. Ooh, summer. And then it's the last hanger is these tops, which I actually have to add this. All my clothes, basically. Some of the things are in a wash, but my basics. These are definitely... I really like this when it's all blue. I think I should just stick with the blue theme. Now it's messing up my system. Okay, I'll take it off. That's my wardrobe. Like, I mean, I don't have that many clothes, which I rotate every day. At the moment, it's like, you know, in a progress. And these, they... Whoa, no. No. You saw that, right? That was a... Oh, that's how it gets messy. Like, I'm just like, I'm gonna do it later. No, Caroline. No Caroline chic moment in here. You're just gonna do it now. I wrapped the shorts, by the way. Alright, I put it here. And then it goes inside. And then it stays like this, so when you pull out, it's like nice little square. Voila. Okay, right. Alright, it's all done. This is all good. Anyways, I'm going to roll these things up. Going to make some sense in here. Taking out trash example, because it's only me who's gonna do it, nobody else. And I don't know, like if I have to continue filming these videos, I mean the mess never gonna finish. I think it's gonna take me whole year. I need to really tap into like better habits. I did read the habits, the abdominal habit. I have all the stuff, but somehow I just I'm really messy and I don't like the mess. I actually discuss this type of mess and I procrastinate too much, and I just, whatever I touch, I just have to do it. Like packing this away now, and I mean now. Okay, put this away as well. So I see you next week. Bye guys, I love you. And I'm kind of embarrassed. I'm showing you all the time my mess, but it's a slow progress. So